Hi there, this is John from CNCROI.com, and today we're going to make a Yoda sign. After about 2 years of CNC routing, I was overdue to replace the sacrificial board on our ShopBot Desktop CNC router. And I decided to make something cool with it, which is basically this sign here. This is regular 1-inch MDF. It's gone to Australia and back from Canada, and it's got quite a bit of history to it. So I want to do something cool for the memories of it. So let's take a look at how it was made with this CNC laser. This was a fun and easy project. Basically a sacrificial board that I was going to chuck out anyways has now become a sign. It just shows you what you can do with a router and a laser to basically create anything that you have a need for. A lot of companies we do business with actually have scrap material that we convert into marketing material that they send out again. So instead of chucking it out, you send it to a customer and you get some money back. That's the ultimate ROI. I'll see you in the next video.